Glenn, we were talking about this earlier today, I think, where so as a racking manufacturer, this came up maybe 18 months ago with another panel manufacturer where we were looking at designing rails. So, the rails normally run along the back
Yeah.
of the panels. And also we have a landscape rail, which means it runs along the frames or the top and the bottom. And that particular panel manufacturer showed me some test results that they'd come up with where it looked like the difference between having the rails running directly behind the cells or, having a landscape rail and being completely out of the way was pretty small as far as the output goes. That was their results on their testing. Has Canadian done any equivalent sort of testing or looked at that as something that...
Yes, we do a lot of research in that space. Of course, we are recommending. Of course, we most of our research is done in the utility space. Of course, because it's difficult to implement a bifacial system on your roof. But of course, we are providing some recommendation, and the racking or the tracker manufacturer are spacing out the torque tube, so at least it needs to be at least 100 millimeters away from the back side of the module.
Okay.
In a way that doesn't affect too much
I see.
the cells in the middle, as well as the clamping in the rails. They need to be on the side. We have to avoid to have rail in there running across the module.
Okay.
But also, if you see the frame of the bifacial module, it's a little bit different. It's got the flap shorter to avoid also shading.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. So is it still framed or?
It's still framed.
It is still framed.
Because the module is getting so big that once upon a time, probably 2 years ago, we had a frameless solution. But now with the module going like 2.2 meter long or 2.4 meter long, you can't have without frame.